Hey YouTube, it's about 6:45 a.m. We woke up to about 2 feet of snow. Hey Mom, I'm making a video. Calm down. I'm making a video.
Oh yeah, we'll be taking lots of footage. I'm gonna take pictures and show my friends.
Okay, well mine are actually gonna get viewed by people. Yeah, this is ridiculous. The weather people, we all thought we were gonna be wrong. They thought you're supposed to get 8 to 10 inches. That was the last report I saw. At 6:20 last night on Channel 11 News, WPXI Pittsburgh. Meteorologist Jeff Rizella. And, like, look. We have 3-foot railing, like, straight up and down things. But, now they're less than a foot. They're like 4 inches. So, we got, and on the railing we got about 2 feet because that's all that it could hold, but on the ground we could have gotten 3 feet of snow. Before last night when I signed off, that was about that deep and we just plowed it. Now look how deep it is. So we got 1.5 feet of snow since I talked to you last night. That is so much. Look at my roof. Look at the tree. Look at. Okay, stepping outside for the first time. We plowed this last night. Oh my God, it's up to my knees.
I'm not sure if I can make it through.
Dad, we have a snowblower right behind you.
I know.
So why are you using a shovel?
Just to get a little path for the snowblower.
Oh, okay. So, I have to go clear the snow off our satellite dish. Oh my freaking Dad, this is ridiculous. Seriously, we plowed this last night and the snow's up to my knees and I'm wearing dirt bike boots so I don't get any snow. That is a bush normally, not a fallen over branch. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm in the really deep snow and it's above my knee. Look at that. I think I'm the whole way down. Okay. My dog house. Good thing my dog died. Wow, do I really hear a car? The road's down there, but you can't even, it's not even worth it. Look at my trail. I'm gonna jump off that later. I'm gonna make a video of me having fun. I'm gonna try to ride my pit bike. Because I'm just so smart. There's my satellite dish. I could definitely get reception. I'm gonna try to run. Oh yeah, so I'm about 5'10", and the snow's up to my knees. So maybe if you're like a knee doctor, you could tell how deep that is. Oh my God. Look at this. Ugh. Okay. Okay, well, I hear a salt truck. My house looks sweet in the snow. Okay. There goes, well, where is it? Oh, there it is. There goes one of those big snow things down on the road. That's the only thing I guess that can plow the road. Okay, so This is Balazar147 signing out for the blizzard of 2010. It's about 9:30 a.m. and we have 25 inches of snow, and we're supposed to get 3 to 4 more inches. So this is gonna be fun. I hope it doesn't take that long to melt. So see you later. Don't worry, later I'll make a video of me like playing in the snow, like jumping off my deck and like jumping off trees and crap. So see you later from Balazar147.